What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and this is the pre-order video for the Monday night pour party tonight. Let's do it! Who's ready for the Monday night pour party tonight? I am so excited. The Monday night pour party, if you haven't been to one yet, is where I will pour silver live on camera and you can pick which silver piece you want. So the way we're doing it tonight is if you want to order something for the stream, which will be live at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, then you can do that by dropping a comment in this video. You can also order things live. However, if there are too many pre-orders, then we'll just have to figure it out. So either way, I'm going to be pouring a lot of silver. It's going to be a ton of fun. It always is. And you're definitely going to want to show up because I'm also going to be pouring the grand prize for the Gigaga Part 2, which is coming up, not this Thursday, but next Thursday. So it's going to be a really fun stream tonight. Now, let me show you some of the molds that we got here. These are the molds available to choose from. So this here is just the regular bar mold. If you want this is probably going to end up being a 2 to 3 ounce bar. Then let me know if you want one of those. So say like 2 to 3 ounce bar or something like that. This is the 5 ounce bar mold. If you want a 5 ounce bar, you just say 5 ounce bar. This is the Kit Kat bar mold. I haven't poured a ton of these before, and so I'm not sure how big they're gonna be, but I'm assuming they're gonna be probably around 2 ounces. So that's the Kit Kat bar mold. We have the round mold, so silver round. These are usually around 1.5 to 2.5 ounces. We have the hexagon mold. These are really fun. Usually end up being around somewhere between 1 and 3 ounces. We can sort of play with the weight on those. We have the heart mold. This is a favorite if you want to get custom stamping for you and your loved ones, either anniversary or something. These are a great gift to give people. These usually end up being somewhere around 2 ounces. And then we're breaking out a new mold tonight for the first time. It's going to be the skull mold. So I think these are going to end up being around 2.5 ounces, maybe closer to 3 ounces, somewhere in there, but I've never poured this skull mold and I'm very, very excited. So if you want one of these, definitely drop a comment down below. And of course, you can have it antiqued or polished. I think both would look beautiful on that. So if you want to pre-order, and again, this is at no obligation. So if you drop a comment, say, hey, I want to pre-order one of these, and then you can't make it to the stream tonight to pick which one you wanted or whatever, then it's no big deal. But if you do want to pre-order one, definitely drop a comment down below. Just say, like, for example, I want to pre-order a 2 ounce bar. And then, so we'll go with this one, and then show up to the stream tonight at 6 p.m. I'll have you already on a list, so I won't have to take your orders live, which always takes, somewhere between 10 and 20 minutes to get the first orders written down. So hopefully this will save a little bit of time at the start of the stream, get some pre-orders written down, and I think it'll really improve the flow. So we're trying things a little bit different with this video. We'll kind of see how it goes. But like I said, it's going to be a blast tonight. You're not going to want to miss it. The prices on the silver, it is $27 per ounce for anything over 1.5 ounces. If you want something really, really small, like a 1 ounce piece, those are $29 an ounce. Of course, it's always free shipping to USA. All of the pours tonight will come with a certificate of authenticity stating that it was poured live. So it's really, really fun. Usually what happens is, let's say for example, you did want to order a 2 ounce bar. I'll pour 2 of the 2 ounce bars. We'll weigh them and see, maybe one will be 1.8 and the other will be like 2.2 or something. And you can look at the ripples on the back and decide which one you like better, and you can pick that one. So it's really, really fun to watch the pours live and sort of pick which one you want. It's always a blast. I have a blast doing it. So anyway, drop a comment down below if you want to do a pre-order. And again, it's no obligation. If you can't show up or whatever, we can just cross you off the list and do it again in 2 weeks. I do these every other Monday. So this is the pre-order video. I hope it all makes sense. If not, I can explain it more live tonight at 6 p.m. I hope to see you all there. Silver Dragons out.